Shuishui Watery Lanyang Centennial Electric Fire. When the paper of Shuishui Watery Lanyang Centennial Electric Fire is uncovered, what impresses the eye is the cultural and historical map of Lanyangxi hydropower generation. Taiwan Power Corporation, Lanyang Power Plant, is located in Sanxing Township, Yilan County. It uses two streams, Qingshui Creek and Lanyang Creek, to build Yuanshan and Tianpi generating units. Hydropower used to be the main source of Taiwan's power generation. With the development of green energy, it has become an important green power plant for TPC. Lanyang Power Plant adheres to the idea of coexistence with the environment and residents. The plant relies on Lanyang River to generate power and continues to use the early construction method up to now, conforming to nature and recycling. It can be said to be a model of green energy for a century. The Lanyang Power Plant adopts stream flow power generation. The water intake location is about 2.38 kilometers upstream of the Niudo Bridge in Lanyang Creek. The water is first diverted to the Yuanshan unit through a tunnel about 5 kilometers long for the first power generation. The tailwater from the Yuanshan unit passes through the water diversion tunnel to the Tianpi water inlet and then introduces the Qingshui Sea stream to the Jiuqiu Lake sand basin. After sedimentation, it is introduced into the forebay of the Tianpi unit and uses the nature drop to make the Tianpi unit operate and generate electricity. Because the channel width, water volume, and flow velocity are moderate, the tailwater after power generation, Taiwan's first velocity-type microhydraulic test platform, was built on the river in 2021, providing private research and development of microhydraulic units for testing. Besides, the microhydraulic People Plaza is provided to the local residents of Tiansongpi Development Association of Leisure Agriculture. Also, it is one of the attractions of green agricultural tourism. One drop of water has several applications. The Lanyang Plain is rich in products, surrounded by mountains on three sides and facing the sea on one side. The northeast monsoon and topography make Yilan a land of water, with plenty of rain and abundant water. Therefore, a small and beautiful Lanyang Power Plant was built 100 years ago. In 1921, the Japanese government built the Tiansongpi Power Plant. In 1922, the 3 generation units of Tiansongpi Power Station were officially put into use. In 1939, Yuanshan Power Plant started construction. In 1941, Yuanshan Power Station was completed. In 1977, Tianpi Power Plant merged with Yuanshan Power Plant and changed its name to Tianpi Unit of Lanyang Power Plant. In 2002, the Yuanshan Power Plant was operated by remote control and became an unmanned power plant. In 2021, the flow velocity microhydraulic test platform was launched and opened to private operators for testing. In 2022, Tianpi Unit of Lanyang Power Plant celebrates its 100th anniversary. Lanyang Power Plant is composed of Yuanshan Unit and Tianpi Unit. Yuanshan Unit is located in upper reaches of Lanyang Creek. It has 2 generating units, each with a capacity of 9,000 kilowatts. The total installed capacity is 18,000 kilowatts. The annual power generation can reach 92 million kilowatt-hours. The main equipment is the vertical Francis-type turbine made by the Voice in Germany. The Francis-type turbine and the generator are made by AEG with a voltage of 11 kilovolts. The tailwater is sent to the water inlet of the Tianpi unit through a hole-shaped tunnel and rectangular tunnel for power generation. The Tianpi unit is located in Tiansongpi territory. In addition to using the tailwater of Yuanshan unit, it also intercepts the Qingshui Sea stream, a tributary of the Nanyang River, and diverts the stream water to Jiuqiu Lake for sedimentation, and then sends it to the forebay of the Tianpi unit. providing 4 units for operation. With a total installed capacity of 8,375 kilowatts and an annual power generation of more than 45.6 million kilowatt-hour. The hydraulic turbine is horizontal Francis type, and the generator is made in Shibara, Japan. The voltage is 6.6 kilovolts. There is an abundance of rain in Yilan. Every year, the northeast monsoon brings abundant rainfall. Lanyangxi is a wet season from October to February next year. At this time, the units are often fully loaded to generate power. During the March and June is a dry season, when the power plant will use this time to arrange tunnel maintenance. During July, August, and September is the flood season, and it is necessary to strictly prevent flooding caused by typhoons and heavy rains. The Tianpi unit of Lanyang Power Plant is hidden in the Tianshan village, at the end of the country road on Dianli Road, meaning the electricity road. When you walk into the power plant, there is a huge sound of machine operation. It is an antique equipment left by Nippon Denko 100 years ago, but it has been professionally maintained by Taiwan Power Company. The team during the annual overhaul replaces old generators, water turbines, and automatic monitoring equipment with new ones. The power plant is old, but it works solidly. Sanxing Township is the most ancient village in Yilan County. Among them, Tianshan and Tianfu villages are the longevity villages in township. Around the Lanyang Power Plant, you can often see scenes of farmers working hard. Lanyang Power Plant has an indispensable function for Sanxing Township and downstream towns. The tailwater used to be called Dianhuo Creek, but it was renamed Annong Creek in 1978. Due to the construction of the power plant, the management of rivers such as Nanyang Creek, Shuishui Creek, and Annong Creek have received great attention. Lanyang Power Plant has assisted in the environment remediation of Annong Creek and Balisa Brook, playing the role of farmland irrigation and flood drainage. The large and small gullies passing by are used to nourish Sanxing rice, Sanxing onions, and admiral pears and silver willow with the highest yield in the country. Lanyang Power Plant is not only a power plant that illuminates all industries, but also a living water for neighboring residents to settle down. Over the past 100 years, Lanyang Power Plant has brought great changes to Sanxing Township. Besides planting cash crops in recent years, rafting, canoeing, citizen power plants, environmental education, and energy education have also been developed to create opportunities for all-round industrial development and local creation. Tiansongpi has become an important tourist attraction in the Lanyang area, and it even produces Lanyang popsicles that attract tourists. Lanyang Power Plant conforms to net zero sustainable development and has created many amazing features over the past century. And it is also a valuable asset of Taiwan Power Company. Lanyang Power Plant of Taiwan Power Company. Thank you for watching.